In today's video I will discuss 7 surprising ways you might not have thought about to build and increase your credit score. Let me know if you are using any of these methods in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let's get into it. If you're struggling with a low credit score, you're not alone. Your credit score is a measure of your financial reliability, and having a low score can make it difficult to get approved for loans, credit cards, and even rental agreements or insurance policies. But there are some not-so-obvious ways to improve your credit score, in addition to the more obvious methods like reviewing your credit reports and paying off delinquent debts. 1. Credit Boost Services. Credit boosting services like Experian Boost can help increase your credit score by reporting non-traditional payment histories. By linking your bank account to the service, you can track your payments for utilities, streaming services, and phone plans, demonstrating a consistent on-time payment history. This can raise your credit score significantly and can be done for free. 2. Rent Reporting. If you are a renter, enrolling in a rent reporting service like Pinata can help boost your credit score. The service reports your rental payments to all 3 of the major credit bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, improving your credit score as you consistently pay your rent on time. Pinata claims that using this service can raise your credit score by up to 60 points, all from making a payment you're already making each month. 3. Request Limit Increase. Another way to improve your credit score is to ask for a credit line increase from your credit card issuer. By increasing your available credit, you can improve your debt-to-credit ratio, which can raise your credit score. It's essential to resist the temptation to use your new credit and focus on improving your financial standing. 4. Limit Requests. Whenever you apply for a new loan or credit card, your credit report receives a hard inquiry. These inquiries can lower your credit score, so it's essential to limit the number of requests you make. One way to raise your credit score is to avoid applying for new credit altogether. The longer you go without applying for new loans or credit cards, the better your credit score will become. 5. Credit Builder Loan. If you're looking for a way to increase your credit score, consider taking out a credit builder loan. This loan involves opening an account, typically a certificate of deposit or savings account, and making regular payments towards the principal and interest over a fixed term. These payments are reported to the credit bureaus, which improves your credit score. At the end of the term, you receive the funds you've deposited, and the interest you've paid into the account. 6. Consolidation Loan. If you have multiple debts with different credit cards, banks, or companies, consolidating them into one large debt can help improve your credit score. A debt consolidation loan will cover all of your outstanding debts, reducing your payments to a single one, and giving you a better overall interest rate. As you make payments towards your debt-to-credit ratio improves, which can raise your credit score. 7. Monitor and dispute errors. Finally, it's essential to regularly monitor your credit report for any errors or inaccuracies. If you find any errors, you can dispute them with the credit bureau to have them removed from your report. This can improve your credit score and ensure that your credit report accurately reflects your financial standing. In conclusion, improving your credit score takes time and effort, but it's worth it in the end. By using these 7 strategies, you can raise your credit score, improve your financial standing, and open up new opportunities for your future. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about this video in the comment section and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.